Hello friends, welcome back to Python projects series. In this video, we are going to develop a random password generator application. So when you run this application, it will generate a random password with numerical values, alphabets, and even with the special characters. I know that most of the times it is very difficult for come up with a strong password. Okay, so that's why I wrote this simple Python script which will generate a very strong password. For this project, I mean, in this project, we are going to use random library, and other than this library, we don't need anything else. So first thing first, as I told you, so we are going to use random library. After that, let's take the input from the user. I mean, what is the length of the password the user is expecting? So I will take variable like password length. Okay, so it will be like integer value. So enter the length. That's all. So this is the length we need to take from the user. After that, let's define a variable called s, or maybe you can say yes, or some sentence, anything. Okay, so this will have all the alpha numerical values along with the special characters. Okay, so I am going to define something like this string, and now I will use this random module and the function from this module like a random sample. And to this random sample, I will pass the string that we defined in line number 4 and the length. I mean, how many random characters we need from this string. So we need, so whatever the value that user passes. Okay. So that's it. Now we need to join all the characters written by this random sample function. So for that, what I will do is I will use our the list join function. And finally, I will store that in a variable called password. And finally, let's print the password. Okay, so now let's run this project. And what is the program name? It is a password generator. Now it is asking for the length. I will give 15. Press enter. See, we got a random generator password with all the alpha numerical values along with the special characters. Pretty simple, right? I mean, it's like less than like 5 lines of code. Okay, so if you remove this import library, so it's only 4 lines of code. That's pretty much, guys. I mean, it's a very simple program, and but though it is a simple program, it is a very interesting program. I hope you will make use of this program in your day-to-day life. And if you have any doubts about this project or any other Python projects, please mention in the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any suggestions about this project, please feel free to mention that in the comment section. And how, I mean, even you can suggest me some Python projects which you want to see in this YouTube channel. I will meet you in the next video with another interesting Python project. Till then, take care.